Standing before you is the true army of darkness.
The Wyatt family is.
And on the horizon, vengeance awaits the Wyatt family. The Wyatt family took our bodies and tried to claim our souls. But there is no one, no
Dana's
man
like, wait,
living
what is he saying right now?
or dead that contains the power of the dark side.
Like Kylo Ren, Darth Vader, Darth Maul.
When you try to steal the flames of hell, you will get burned.
His Vincent's line.
At Survivor Series,
He's
we
always
have
saying that.
reserved a special place
Sometimes.
for Bray Wyatt and his family in the deepest pit of hell. A place where they will suffer in the fires of eternal damnation. Bray Wyatt
Is a loser.
Your kind
Actually,